Doreen Billings, founder of SunCity Radio 104.9 FM, has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Doreen Billings, otherwise known as Mama B, the Chief Executive Officer and founder of SunCity Radio 104.9 FM, has died. Billings died Sunday after a battle with stage 4 cancer, SunCity Radio said in a media statement on Monday. She faced her illness with unwavering strength, grace, and dignity, surrounded by her family and the love of those whose lives she has touched, the radio station said. Doreen Billings was a pioneer force in Jamaican media landscape and a cherished figure in the Portmore community. It added, noting that her work through SunCity 104.9 FM radio was instrumental in providing a platform for young voices, promoting local talent and addressing social issues affecting the nation. Her dedication to the station and its mission earned her the affectionate title of Mama B, a testament to her nurturing spirit and commitment to community cultural advocacy and unwavering support for youth development, the station said. In addition to her work in media, Doreen Billings was remembered as a passionate advocate for children's rights and social justice. According to a media release, as the CEO of a St. Catherine-based organization, Mothers in Crisis, Billings tirelessly worked to raise awareness about child abuse and neglect, often speaking out against societal indifferences to the suffering of the most vulnerable members of society. Her advocacy was a call to action for many, highlighting the need for greater accountability and compassion, the release stated. Billings was a wife, a mother of 3 boys, and a grandmother. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.